test paper. It was for 1 hour and for 20 marks. 1 to 6 was carrying 1 mark, 7 to 9 3 marks, and question number 10 was of the 5 marks, right? I got so many answers, so many test papers, but some students face problem in the last question, so I thought we should discuss the question paper. Let's start. Explain the advantage of intramural activities. Provide equal, or we can say mass opportunities for the participants. Okay, mass opportunities for the participant. Intramural tournament provide opportunity to every student to take part in the games, because if you don't know much about the game, then also you can play, because intramurals are the games or activities under a boundary or a institution. Next is to develop leadership qualities. Through this we can develop leadership qualities because it provides maximum students to get these opportunities of leadership. If we are playing in the school, we need team captains for different teams, right? Then students develops their leadership qualities. To develop cooperation, it means they develop the feeling of cooperation with each other, because they know each other student, then they cooperate with each other. If someone don't know about the game, they provide the knowledge of game, they try to make him comfortable in the games, then they learn cooperation. Recreation, yes, these are the sources of recreation also. And sportsmanship, if whenever you take part in the games, that time a sports spirit comes in you, and this is the best quality of a sports person, that during the game they develop their sportsmanship and they develop the fair play, feeling of fair play, and they becomes a very good sports player. Personality development is the another importance of intramurals. Next is discuss any 3 pitfalls of dieting. What are the pitfalls? Pitfalls means the negative effects of dieting, because nowadays everybody wants to be slim, then they apply so many things and so many ways to be slim. That's just because of this they get some deficiency or negative things. What are these? Let's discuss. Lack of proper nutrition. If you are not having proper nutrition, that time you feel very tired or unhealthy, because what is the nutrition or balanced diet? That is when we get proper proportion of each nutrients. Then if you are doing dieting, that time you don't get proper nutrition. Extreme reduction of calories, because you avoid to take these kinds of things which have rich carbohydrate and fats, and these are necessary for the workout or for the energy of the body, and these are the calorie rich foods, and you avoid this, the time in your body there will be lack of calories. Not performing exercise. If you don't perform exercises during the day-to-day basis workout or day-to-day basic work, then you will not get a slim trim body. But if you do exercise regularly, then you can reduce weight. Then it is not good for the health if you are dieting only and you are not exercising, because somebody thinks that exercise makes us to eat more. That is the food myth also, right? Next is state the duties of any food committees. Finance committee will arrange the budget for the all tournaments, and they will take care of the whole things, how many amount we spend, how many amount we have balanced, and how can we manage the whole tournament, and they makes budget just simply. Publicity committee who advertise the tournament in the print media, electronic media, or by the other ways. Medical committee which provides first aid to the injured person. Technical committee who arrange or manage the game, arranging referees, includes referees, officials, timekeeper, scorer. It means we can say in the technical committee there will be all the officials of the tournament. Next was make a knockout fixture for the 17 teams and give the benefits of it. I am discussing here benefits. After this I will discuss fixture only. These are the economy in expenditure. It means these are less expensive, it takes less time, and fear of elimination keeps the competition interesting, because every team knows that if they will defeat, they will be out of the tournament, right? Less officials are required. These are the benefits of knockout tournament. Now here fixture for the knockout tournament. If we have number of teams 17, then number of matches will be n-1, right? 17 teams, minus 1, 16 matches will be there. Number of round will be next power of 2 will be the number of round. Which number is bigger or greater than 17? Then 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 is the next power or greater power more than 17, right? Then it is coming 5 times. Here 2's power is 5, then rounds will be 5. Number of teams in upper half, n plus 1 upon 2, right? It means 18 upon 2, 9 team will play in the upper half, and n minus 1 upon 2, 16 by 2, 8 team will play in the lower half. Number of byes will be next power of 2 minus n. Okay, it means 32 minus 17, because 32 is the next power of 2 which is greater than 17. Then 15 byes will get the number of byes for the upper half, and for this 15 we call nb. nb means number of byes. Okay, for the upper half, nb minus 1 upon 2 is the formula. It means 14 upon 2, 7 team will play in the upper half. Number of byes for the lower half, nb plus 1 upon 2, that means 16 upon 2, right? Means 8 team will get bye in the lower half and 7 team will get bye in the upper half. Okay, now we'll draw the fixture like this, 1 to 17, and here I have put it number of byes also. First bye will give to the lower half's lower team, it means 17 will move into the second round. Then second, first team of the upper half. Then third bye will provide number 10, it means lower half's upper team, and fourth bye will provide upper half's lower team, it means 9. And we will follow the same pattern again, lower half's lower, upper half's upper, then lower half's upper and upper half's lower team, right? And you can count the numbers of matches and number of rounds to cross check your fixture. Okay, I hope you understand. If not, you can go through that topic also, in which we discuss about the knockout tournament very clearly. Thank you so much.